President.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you again. How are you?
Thank you for coming.
Oh, it's a pleasure.
Absolute pleasure. Minister of Amici. I think that this Areolos will be interesting in the sense that we're living through interesting times.
Shall I just...
Il presidente greco, il presidente greco.
So now we need only the official photographers. Only 12 people. 12 people. Official photographers. No, official photographers.
I now give the floor to the last speaker, who is President Borut Pahor of Slovenia.
Thank you, George, for your hospitality and the hospitality of your beautiful country. Briefly on two issues, war in Ukraine and on Western Balkans. On behalf of my country, Republic of Slovenia, I would like to reiterate our support for the sovereignty and territorial integrity of Ukraine. We do not recognize and will never recognize Russian attempts to annex any Ukrainian territory. We support Ukraine in its defense against Russia's invasion, demand Russia to immediately withdraw from all the occupied territories, and encourage all of us to substantially increase our aid to Ukraine. All those who commit crimes to aggression must be held accountable and brought to justice. As far as the Western Balkans is concerned, I invited all of my colleagues and friends to support the enlargement process also to Western Balkans. I reiterate this process as the most direct contributor to the maintenance of peace and stability in Western Balkans, and more than ever, a geopolitical issue. I think, and I'm satisfied, we called for accelerated EU integration process in line with the well-established conditions for EU membership. Since this is my last participation in the capacity of the President, I would like to say that those debates among presidents and friends in this kind of group are very fruitful, and I wish all of you the same success in the future for the benefit of our beautiful, beautiful United Europe. Thank you so much.
Tako v svojem nastopu na konferenci predsednikov držav Evropske unije iz skupine Areolos tukaj na Malti, kot v dvostranskih pogovorih z drugimi predsedniki in prijatelji, sem se zavzel za to, da ohranimo in okrepimo enotnost Evropske unije v soočanju z posledicami vojne v Ukrajini, pa tudi v soočanju z Rusko federacijo kot agresorjem. Prav tako se mi je zdelo pomembno opozoriti, tako na konferenci kot v pogovorih z mojimi sogovorniki in prijatelji, da je potrebno čuvati, varovati tudi enotnost zveze NATO. Tudi glede vprašanja zaprosila Ukrajine za polnopravno članstvo v zvezi NATO. Glede tega je moje trdno stališče, da ima Ukrajina vso pravico, da sama izbere svojo zunanjo in varnostno politiko, vključno z članstvom v NATO. NATO mora imeti tudi glede Ukrajine odprta vrata. O tem, kako in kdaj bi utegnila Ukrajina postati članica NATO, pa mora seveda odločiti vseh 30 članic in tudi glede tega postopka moramo ohraniti dovolj zaupanja, tako med 30 članicami zveze, kot v odnosih za Ukrajino, da bo to storjeno na primeren način, ki bo čim bolj zagotovil, če želite, varnostne interese tako članic kot Ukrajine.